All you need for this operation is Ajax cleanser, a brush, water, and a container to mix the paste in.
Okay, this whole can was more water. Yeah, now we have a paste. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to get on these spokes when we hose it off. Get it off of the spokes. Put it on here. We'll turn the one for him. And we just keep pulling on this until it goes away. And look at that. No more squeal.